Hello everyone, my name is Alexander and I'm a mechanic. Today I want to tell you how to make an overlaid stitch. I'll show you everything. I'll make 2 rows of stitching now. Without even looking at the wrong side, I can tell you that this overlaid stitch is not correct. And this one is good. You see? This one is correct. And this one, not. Now I'll explain what happened. The upper thread should go under the foot. It should be kind of held by the foot, so that when you start stitching it doesn't move. Place it this way. You see? It's good. If you leave a thread this way, it gets in a seam, and this is what happens. We're talking about the case when it's just the front overlay stitch that is not correct. It also happens when you start stitching a thick piece of fabric. In this case, even though you make a thread go under a foot, it's not held. In this case, the best thing to do is to start stitching about 5 mm from the edge and then go back. You'll get a beautiful straight seam this way. One more important thing I want to tell you is that it's better not to hurry and make the overlay stitches slowly. They also shouldn't be long, just 2 or 3 stitches, 1 cm maximum. It's more than enough. It happened to me more than once that the customers thought their machines were broken, but actually they just didn't know how to hold the thread. Do it correctly and you won't have any problems. That's all for today. My name is Alexander and I'm a mechanic. Subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.